did yesterday got me in so much trouble.
I think that we had put paint all over the walls. Like you spilled it or something, started walking all over. And you didn't clean it up?
Yeah, you
What?
just
messed up your room. You messed up your room.
That's your guess. Okay. What's this table's guess?
You stepped in paint and you made it all over the house.
I stepped in paint and I trailed it all over the house.
Yeah.
My mom's mad. What do you guys think? Spilled a cup of ice and my mom slipped on it. Interesting.
We think that you either knocked over a vase or knocked over an iron.
Okay, so I knocked over a vase or knocked over a what?
Can of water.
Can of water. What do you guys guess? I stepped in wet paint and walked it over the house. Same thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so I didn't tell you guys anything about my accident yesterday other than it was an accident. And a lot of you guys said paint. Someone raise their hand and tell me why they might have guessed paint.
Vase or iron.
Look, don't call out. Yes. Oh, in the black sweatshirt. Oh, tell me your name.
Shalonda.
Okay, Shalonda. Why do you think it was paint?
Because all the colors are mixed up together and with the paint it makes different colors. Sometimes when you spill something, it doesn't really make it it doesn't mix the colors, but I think that's the paint kind of just catches the colors and it mixes and it matches.
Okay, so I heard a lot of different colors, but why didn't I drink Kool-Aid? Kool-Aid has a lot of color, and I spilled the Kool-Aid. Why isn't it Kool-Aid? Yes. Yes. Why isn't it Kool-Aid, for instance? There's a lot of colors. She mentioned a lot of colors being mixed up together, but why is it paint, not Kool-Aid? Or like Gatorade? Paintbrush. So she saw a paintbrush mark on it. Okay, that's good. Someone else over here.
You can use glue because it's liquid and it's not going to
It's not as what?
It's liquid and it's not going to run off.
Oh, okay, so it didn't run off as much, right? So like if I had Gatorade, the marks would have looked really different than really like paint, right? So what about the paint makes it different from like a Gatorade? Yes. Yes, it's been anything.
It looks like paint because it's thicker, and then our sheet, some of the paint is still wet.
Excellent, excellent. So I heard some excellent things, and sometimes mentioned footprints that it was thicker, so it can't possibly be Gatorade, right? So just like you guys use clues on your paper to tell all I said was it's an accident, right? Imagine all of you are crime scene investigators. Close your eyes. Imagine you're a crime scene. You get to a crime, right? All right, open your eyes. They didn't tell you anything about it. You have to use your clues to figure it out. Crime investigators use the same thing at murder scenes, right? So you're at a murder scene, right? And you find lots of blood. Lots of blood. What do you think happened to the victim? Someone raise their hand. Yes. They got attacked by someone, and if you lose a lot of blood, you tend to die. Why do you think if you lose a lot of blood, you tend to die? Someone raise their hand. Yes. Oh, I already called it. So I'm going to call someone new. I love it.
Because blood is important in your body, and without blood, without enough blood, you can't exactly move enough. And well, not move, but you won't have enough to survive.
Excellent. So we know blood is essential to life, right? I have a surprise up here. Why is it essential to life? I've been hiding this guy for a while. Ooh. If everyone in the group could stand up in front of your table, you're going to stand up in front of your table. What we're going to do is this represents blood, right? Without blood, you die. And one of the reasons why you die without blood is blood does something very important. Imagine this is a big blood cell. We have millions and millions of these in our bodies, right? And this is just big so that you guys can see easier. Blood carries something called, can you guys read this for me? What does it say?
Oxygen
and nutrients. Oxygen and nutrients. Can you guys see that? What we're going to do is we're going to pass it to person. This group over here, you're going to represent the arms. You guys are going to represent the legs. You guys are going to represent the toes. You guys are going to represent the neck. You guys are going to represent the brain. Me and Babe are going to represent the heart. So I want everyone to take a deep breath in. Do you guys feel the oxygen entering your lungs? All right, so it enters our lungs and it's going to enter our bloodstream, okay? So this is our blood and it has oxygen on it. You're going to pass it, and on these giant balls, you can see lots of little note cards that say oxygen nutrient. As you pass it along, I want your group to take one of these oxygen and nutrient cards. As we pass the blood around, each body part is going to take some of this oxygen Just rip it off.
You can breathe. Oh, snap.
All right.
Hey, Angela, you didn't give our group a body part. You gave that group.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Is it person?
You're gonna pass it to the next group. Excellent. You gotta rip off oxygen and nutrients. All right. So this group right here, they're a body part. They took off some of the oxygen and nutrients. This group is gonna take off some of the oxygen and nutrients. What do you guys? Can someone raise hand and guess what happens to all the oxygen and nutrients by the time it reaches back to the heart? Elite.
It only has
Eileen, yeah.
You can throw the ball.
Let's listen up.
pass it to
Your muscles and organs use it to function.
Excellent. So did everyone hear that? So just as we're passing around the blood with the oxygen and nutrients, your body parts, as the blood goes through all your body parts. Oh, don't fight. As you guys go through all of the body parts, you use up the oxygen and nutrients so that your muscles and body parts can function, right?
Oh, they have just a big one.
No, they have a little one.
Where is it?
Oh, okay. Yeah, rip off the big one.
Why do they get the big one?
Because they reach the end, right?
But they can't pump so much blood.
And then at the end, so at the end, someone tell me what's left behind. Everyone take a deep breath in. Breathe it out. What you just breathed out was carbon dioxide. So what blood does is it carries oxygen and nutrients to our body parts so that they can function. That is why blood is important. If you're a murder victim, ooh, poor me, right? I lost all my blood and I died. And I died because I didn't have blood to carry oxygen to my body parts. It's really important. All right, so everyone take a seat. Thank you so much for participating. I really appreciate it. Can I